This video, I'm going to go over a pair of little work lights that I just got in here. Let me show you what you get with these things. You get two USB-C cables. You know what, I already took them out and looked over them. A little set of instructions here, but you know what, if you've used a flashlight, I think you'll be fine. Now, these are really cool looking lights. Let me show you what all these things can do. So there's a magnet on the top, so they've got a little bit of a magnet for sticking onto things, whether it's the side of a car or something like that. You get a hook right here, a little D-clip hook that can kind of clip onto things. And then there's a rotating little like arm right here. And to charge them, you know, you got the charge ports right there. To turn these things on, there's two modes. There's one on this side, one on this side. You turn that one on, very bright. There's a dim, a flashing, and an off. And then on this side, when you flip it over, check these out. Another mode that's 1, 2, 3. Now that's a softer mode. 4. There's a red and blue light. That's a red and blue light. Now you can put these on your bicycle, but I wouldn't put them on top of my car, but I'd put them on a bicycle. These things are waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, pretty much indestructible. Yeah, these are some of the best lights that I've used so far. This is something very handy, and I keep one in my car and I keep one at the house, so I'm good to go no matter where. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the double-sided work light. See you on the next video.